Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can enter to manage storage to see this storage like this, and or you can go to your Wi-Fi and you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn it again if it's not working with you. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.